The Bengal tiger moves silently through the jungle, with razor-sharp claws and powerful muscles. It is built for the kill. It hunts alone, stalking its prey with deadly precision: deer, boars, and even buffalo fall to its strength. But with less than 3,000 left, this apex predator is now endangered. The African lion rules the savanna with strength and strategy. As social hunters, lions work in groups to take down large prey. Their roar echoes across the plains. The sound of dominance and warning. They face buffalo, zebras, and even giraffes without fear, but habitat loss and poaching threaten their future. The polar bear dominates the Arctic wilderness, built for cold. With thick fur and fat, it hunts seals on floating ice. It moves with surprising silence for its massive size. As the Arctic's top predator, it has no natural enemies, but melting ice is destroying its hunting grounds. The great white shark is the ocean's deadliest predator. It senses prey from miles away. Then strikes with lightning speed. Its bite can crush bone and tear through flesh in seconds. Seals, fish, even other sharks fear its power, but overfishing and fear-driven killings are putting it at risk. The harpy eagle rules the rainforest canopy, with massive talons and powerful wings. It grabs monkeys and sloths from treetops. It is silent, fast, and deadly in the air. Few animals can match its precision and strength. Yet deforestation threatens its survival across South America. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next videos.